In this quick guide, I'll show you how to edit a Mailchimp campaign so you can update content, refresh designs, and boost engagement. Start by logging into your account and heading to the Campaigns tab. Here you'll see all your campaigns. Just click on the one you want to edit, then select Edit Design. Inside the editor, you will find three main areas: Content, Layouts, and Styles. In the Content tab, you can add or change text, images, and buttons. Layouts let you switch up the structure of your email for a fresh design. And in Styles, you can customize fonts, colors, and backgrounds to keep everything consistent with your brand. Once your edits are done, use the preview feature to check how your email looks on different devices. Always send yourself a test email before hitting send to your audience. And that's it. Editing a Mailchimp campaign is quick, flexible, and gives you full control over how your emails look and perform. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials.